Quite. Join your hands and start chanting of Omkar. Om. 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 Sairam to all of you. So
Silence, sir.
23 children already joined, and I think not more than 23 joined class है ना.
Yes.
Yes, sir. नहीं आते हैं.
चल नहीं आते हैं, डाल दिया जाए.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
पोस्टेड. मनु, आपको मिल गई लिंक?
यस सर, मिल गई.
गुड.
सर एक बार फिर से सेंड कर दीजिए.
कर दी. साई राम.
सर एक बार फिर से सेंड कर दीजिए
कर
लिंक.
दी बेटा, कर दी. Any problem to open the link?
No, sir.
सर आपने गूगल फॉर्म भेज दिया क्या?
हाँ भेज दिया. कौन बोल रहा है?
सर आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा लेट हो गया था, दोबारा भेज.
भेज दिया बेटा.
थैंक यू सर.
Sairam sir. Excuse me sir.
Yes,
सर मैं अभी आया हूँ तो सर प्लीज लिंक दोबारा भेज सकते हैं सर आप?
yes, I sent it.
ओके सर.
So fast. समृद्धि, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ है. आर यू रेडी टुमारो? टुडे यू आर रेडी?
सर एक बार फिर से लिंक भेज दीजिए। सर मैं
कितने बार हो गए? भेज दिया. Okay. Nineteen children already submitted their responses.
सर उसमें तो स्कोर देखने मिल रहा है।
हाँ, मिल
यस
रहा
सर।
है। हाँ, वही रखा है अभी हमने।
यस सर।
21 children submitted their responses. Okay. 24 submitted. I think two are left. Yes.
Sir, may I present my PPT today?
Today is the last day
Yes, sir.
after this MCQ test. Those who not submitted, please tell me your name. जिसने सबमिट नहीं किया वो बताए. All of you submitted. I think I have to close it because I got only 24 responses.
Sir, there were only 24 students.
Yes, Anik.
So there were only 24 students earlier.
No, in my attendance, 26 children were present. 25, I will check it. Twenty-six. Ankush, you submitted?
Yes, sir, I have submitted.
Aniket?
Yes, sir.
Satyam? He submitted. Shahid?
Yes, sir.
Ved? He submitted. Arman submitted. Ninansa submitted. Samriddhi submitted. Mayank? Let me check about the Mayank. Mayank not submitted. Geetika submitted. Rishika submitted. Niyati? Pranav?
सर
Prakhar?
मैंने भी सबमिट कर दिया.
Gagan submitted. Palak submitted. Manu? Manu, you submitted? Not Manu, not submitted. मनु आप मीटिंग में हैं बेटा?
सर मनु ने मीटिंग लेफ्ट कर दी थी.
दोबारा आई थी ना वो? अभी है क्या? चेक करो.
सर नहीं है.
हाँ, तो उसने सबमिटेड नहीं किया. मयंक ने. आप जितने प्रेजेंट हैं उसमें से किसी ने सबमिट नहीं किया हो? कर दिया सभी ने सबमिट? Sahil submitted. Aryan submitted. Vedanti, you submitted? Vedanti? Yes, she submitted. Anmol submitted. Sanjay, Muskan submitted. छोड़ छोड़ के चले जाते हैं मीटिंग. यस, चलिए ठीक है. मुझे बताइए जो प्रेजेंट है, ऑल ऑफ यू सबमिटेड?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके समृद्धि, यू कैन स्टार्ट बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, present है.
यस.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Topic friction. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on both these surfaces. Factors affecting friction. Friction depends on the nature of surface in contact. For a given pair of surfaces, friction depends upon the state of smoothness or roughness of those surfaces. It is less for smooth surfaces. Friction is independent of the area of contact. Friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press together. The force required to overcome friction at the instant an object starts moving from rest is called static friction. Force required to overcome friction at the instant an object
Samriddhi left the meeting. We have to wait for her. Then I will start my new chapter, sound. The समृद्धि बेटा
सर सर वो मीटिंग गलती से लीव हो गई थी तो मैं वापस से प्रेजेंट
यस आप स्टार्ट कीजिए
अच्छा स्क्रीन सेशन प्लीज
यस बेटा ये मुझे स्लाइड्स भेज देना व्हाट्सएप पर
यस सर मेल कर लूंगी some important points about friction. Friction is important for many of our activities. Friction can be reduced by using grease oil powder, ball bearing, and fusion of dry air between the moving surfaces, and using anti-friction alloys. Friction can be increased by making a surface rough. The sole of the shoes and the tires of the vehicle are treated to increase friction. Blood friction can be minimized by giving suitable spaces to bodies moving in flux. Ball bearing. Ball bearing reduce friction. They are used between hubs and the axles of ceiling fans and bicycles. Drag. The frictional force exerted by slugs is also called drag. Slide friction. When one surface is sliding over the other surface, sliding friction comes into play. Flood friction. Flood exerts the force of friction on objects in motion through them. Interlocking. Irregularities on two surfaces in content may collapse with each other, increasing friction. Lubricants. The substances which reduce friction are called lubricants. Rolling friction. When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called the rolling friction. Thank you.
Okay. Which friction is the least friction?
Yes, sir.
Which friction is the least one? सबसे कम फ्रिक्शन कौन सा होता है? समृद्धि?
Yes.
Static friction, sliding friction, or rolling friction?
Sir, can you repeat?
Which friction is the least friction? Static, sliding, or rolling?
Sir, sliding.
Sliding. Okay. And how can we increase friction? How can we increase friction?
Sir, by applying force to the object.
By applying force.
Yes, sir.
No, both the answers are wrong. Ankush, how can we increase friction?
Sir, may I?
Yes,
By making the surface more rough.
yes. By making the surface more rough, we can increase friction. And how can we decrease friction?
By
Sir,
applying
by
lubricant.
applying any lubricant.
Lubricant, yes, you are right. So, from next period, because I will take tomorrow or day after tomorrow one more period, and I will try to finish within a day or two our chapter. Which chapter? One last
Sound.
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 हाँ तो चलो अभी शुरू करें साउंड चैप्टर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So we already started कि sound is a form of energy, and this is a weak form of energy, and it gives us sensation of hearing. And very important point regarding the sound is that how we hear the sound. Sound हमको सुनाई कैसे आता है? This is very interesting phenomena, but before this, I would like to tell you some more points regarding the sound. One interesting fact, some terms are related. These terms are frequency and amplitude. Do you know frequency? How sound produced? Can
Sir,
anybody
one
tell?
oscillation.
Yeah, how sound produced?
Sir, because of vibration.
Very good. Sound produces by the vibrations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And when any object vibrates, then sound produced.
Produced.
Sanya. Concepts. Sanya, what are you thinking?
You know, Bhaiya, a weird thing happened today. In school, when the peon was ringing the food bell, I happened to touch the pole on which the bell was hung. When the peon hit the
Excuse
bell,
me, sir.
I felt that the pole was vibrating too. Then
Yes.
Sir, can you, sir, please lower down the volume?
Increase or decrease?
Sir, decrease, decrease.
You can decrease by through your device. Okay, I decrease it.
after we came back home, when we were listening to the songs on our music system, my hand grazed across the speaker by chance, and I could sense some vibrations on the speaker too. When I am touching the speaker now, I can't feel anything, no vibrations at all.
Do you think that maybe there is correlation between the things that you could sense were vibrating and the sounds that were being created by these vibrating objects?
Maybe. Can we not find this out?
Yeah, why not? Let us try doing a small activity. Let us try hitting this hanging metal vessel with this rolling pin.
Vibration is taking
This
place.
makes such a loud noise.
Come on, now touch it and tell me what you feel.
Oh wow, this is also vibrating like the school bell. Oh, I see. Does this mean that vibrating objects produce sound?
Brilliant. You got it
This
right.
is the base of this chapter. कि vibrating objects produce sound. Even when we touch our vocal cord and we speak something, so we feel कि yes, it is vibrating. So how sound is produced? Sound is produced by the vibration.
Right. Ever notice the mobile phone vibrating when it rings?
Yes.
And you already feel the vibration of mobile instrument that you play. So many of you like to play musical instrument.
Have you ever seen such examples? Have you ever felt any vibrations accompanied with sounds? Mummy, I'm wondering why, although a sound is generated when we hit this plate with a spoon, but I cannot see any vibrations in this plate.
Why don't you put some water in this plate, Sanya, and then try hitting the plate with the spoon?
Okay, let me see what happens. Oh wow, see Mummy, small ripples are generated in water.
This
This
happens in-
indicates hitting the plate with this spoon also generate vibrations in the plate. Friend,
Is it clear about? The one
Yes,
concept
sir.
that is clear is sound produced by vibration. So don't miss next class because we'll try to finish this chapter in a 1 or 2 days. Because from the next month, the one thing you do, you complete the chapter given in the textbook. Okay? Saira. Santi Pat.
Sairam, sir.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam children.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam sir, thank you sir.
Sairam, sir.
Thank you.
Sairam sir, thank you sir.